Hello everyone, I am Sangeetha, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science, Graphics and Creative Designs at Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. Here I am going to explain about case study of Overwatch by Blizzard Entertainment. So here in this presentation we will delve into the world of computer animation, exploring the challenges faced by animators and the creative solutions they develop. We will use Blizzard Entertainment Overwatch as a case study to showcase how animators tackled specific problem and brought a game characters into life. The power of animation in video games. Animation plays a crucial role in the video games, bringing characters and environments to life. Fluid and expressive animation enhance immersion, allowing players to connect with the characters and feel invested in the story. However, video game animation present unique challenges. Animators must strike a balance between creating realistic movements and maintaining smooth performance, especially on different hardware. Additionally, characters need to be visually appealing and possess distinct features while still functioning flawlessly within the game mechanics. Introducing Overwatch, a diverse cast and dynamic action. Overwatch, a popular team-based shooter by Blizzard Entertainment, exemplifies the importance of animation in video games. The game features a diverse cast of heroes, each with unique personalities, abilities, and fighting styles. These heroes engage in fast-paced battles, demanding a high level of animation quality and responsiveness. So bringing Overwatch heroes to life. So here in the slide dives deeper into specific animation challenges faced by Blizzard in the developing Overwatch. So facial expressions, capturing a wide range of emotions on diverse character faces while maintaining readability during gameplay. Cloth simulations, creating realistic cloth movements that respond to character actions without hindering gameplay performance. Weapon handling, animating weapon handling for each hero, ensuring it reflects their fighting style and weapon type. The solution. Explain how Blizzard tackled the chosen animation challenges. So development of new animation tools or softwares, implementation of advanced physics simulation techniques, collaboration with other departments like character designs or gameplay engineering. The impact, success and recognition. Discuss the positive outcomes of Blizzard animation solutions. Did it achieve the desired level of realism, expressiveness and performance? Highlight any critical acclaim or recognition the animation received for its quality. Conclusion. Animation's role in the video game storytelling. In conclusion, the significance of animation in video games explain how well crafted animation not only enhances gameplay but also contributes to immersive storytelling and allows players to connect with the characters on a deeper level. Looking ahead, the future of computer animation. Briefly touch on advancement in computer animation technology and their potential impact on future video games. This final slide can offer a glimpse into the future of computer animation. You can mention advertisement in areas like motion capture, real-time rendering, or artificial intelligence, and how these might influence animations in video games in the coming years. Thank you.